dinosaur called the Corythosaurus. Can you guess what its name means?
No.
It means helmet head.
They wear a helmet?
Kind of. They have these crests on their heads shaped like helmets.
Weird. Why was its head like that?
Because there are breathing tubes inside it. Some scientists think that the Corythosaurus made a honking sound when air went through its tubes.
You mean like this?
Maybe. But much, much louder. The Corythosaurus is big. It's bigger than you and me. In fact, it's almost as long as this school bus.
Wow, that's long. Why did the Corythosaurus honk?
Corythosaurus. And honking's probably how they talk to each other.
Dinosaurs talk? About what?
I'm not sure. T-Rex, maybe?
T-Rex, honk!
Cool. Miss Nichols, did you know that there's a dinosaur called the Corythosaurus who had tubes in its head, just like those from the French horn? I wonder if they sounded the same.
I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's all try the French horn. Just don't call any Corythosauruses.
The Corythosaurus is talking to me. I gotta get this on tape. The Corythosaurus can make noises. A Dromaeosaurus, a meat eater. I don't think the Corythosaurus sees him. Uh-oh. I gotta do something. Another Corythosaurus. They warn each other. Cool. The Corythosaurus did talk by blowing air through its crest. It warned other Corythosauruses about predators. See if I can get them to talk. It worked. I talked to a dinosaur. Tyrannosaurus Rex!